Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Perplexity AI API Key. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Once you're on the Perplexity AI website and logged into your account, go to your profile icon in the bottom left-hand corner and click the downward arrow. From the menu that appears, select All Settings. Once you're on the Settings page, look for the API section. If you haven't created an API group yet, click on API and it will take you to a setup window. Here, you'll be asked to provide an API name, a description, and your billing details. You'll also need to add a payment card since API access requires a pro subscription. After you've filled out the required fields and confirmed your billing information, go to API Keys. As I don't have any credits, so I cannot create API, but if you have credits, simply click on Generate API Key. Perplexity will instantly generate your API key, which you can copy and use in your projects or integrations. And that's it. So that is how you can get Perplexity AI API Key. So that's all for this video. Thanks.